Welcome back, Evelyn Harper with Forever Fit, and you are a part of the Fit in 5 workout series. Today we are doing our arms, just using these two light 2.5 pounds. Let's get started and I'll fill you in. So we are going to start with working our shoulders and focusing on our mobility. You're just coming up, holding there for a second, and you're coming down, holding there for a second. So all of these exercises can be done without weights, which if you're just starting off, that's perfect. Or if you don't have any, that is also perfect. So you can do these workouts wherever, whenever, but we spend a lot of time working on our phones, working on our computers, and so we lose a lot of the muscles that pull us up, our posture muscles. So that is why we are pinching our shoulder blades together in the back, focusing on our upper backs, and as we get older, if you don't use it, you lose it. And oftentimes we don't intentionally work our shoulders if you aren't working out consistently. So this is why we're focusing so much on the health of our shoulders. Let's do 2 more. Holding there for a second there at the bottom. That actually feels good, so let's hold that. It's like Frankenstein arms. Holding, 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 and then let's come up. Same thing, kind of letting the weights rest there in the back, keeping our elbows up. Good, 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 good. Elbows up. Okay, woo! Let's give them a break. And you know what that means? It means triceps. Hold for a second in the back and then pause. Hold and then break. Hold for a second and break. I've said this before, but I'll say it again. Anytime I'm working my upper body with just light dumbbells, I like to go up on my toes, just kind of hovering there, because it's also working my balance and forcing me to engage my core, keep those hips tucked, so you are using your ab muscles, which will also alleviate lower back pain because it takes pressure off of your back from being overused and exhausted. All those muscles, let's give them a break. Tuck those hips in. Let's do 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Unless you are thinking about and working on it, you do not spend enough time working on our forearms to improve our grip strength, which also improves the health of our wrists. So we are going up and we are going down, spending time in both spots. I will say I feel like I have terrible wrist mobility. I'm good on the way down, but when I go up, it is so tight, so bad. So let's do 3 more here, and then we're gonna rotate our wrists and do it the other way. Again, this is one of those things, if you don't use it, you lose it. And your grip strength is one thing that gets compromised big time as you get older. I have one client who is 73 years old who I have gotten to do pull-ups. I mean, it's easy. She's easy to convince and work with, so it's not like I've gotten her to do it. We just do them every single session we have. Good. Let's do 3 more. Bring our elbows forward. Also feel it in your biceps a bit, pinching those shoulder blades together in the back. Let's do 2 more. I don't know how many more I said before. Anyways, I have a client, 73 years old, who does pull-ups. I think is one of the best exercises you can do as you age. And so to get to do them consistently, every single workout is 10 for 10 recommend. Could not say anything better about working your pull-up. Okay, that is it for now. Hope you enjoyed this workout. Your arms are feeling well worked. I will see you in tomorrow's workout. Over and out.